pleased to introduce the speaker for this session, Emmanuel Leroy. Emmanuel is Executive Vice President, Chief Product and Technology Officer, in charge of industry strategy, partnerships, product management, go-to-market, innovation, and R&D. He joined ESI Group in April of 2020 as EVP Industry Solutions, in charge of industry strategy and go-to-market, and in 2021 his scope was extended to product management and innovation. Mid-2022, he was appointed head of both product and R&D organizations. Over the last decade, prior to ESI, Emmanuel held different positions of increasing responsibility in the automotive industry, with strong focus on the CAE domain. At Stamp, after starting in 2012 as CAE product team leader, he became manager of the Paris R&D Center in 2014, focusing on vehicle design to cost and manufacturing, lightweighting, and safety through BIW co-development. Emmanuel then expanded this successful approach based on advanced CAE activities globally. In 2017, he was appointed Global Co-Development Director. Emmanuel graduated from the École Polytechnique and from the École des Mines du Paris with a double MSc in Mechanical Engineering and Materials Sciences. It will now be our pleasure to hear from Emmanuel Leroy.
Hi everyone. It's a pleasure for ESI Group to be part of Big Compute 2022. And I want to start with a big thank you to Rescale for inviting ESI and for organizing this amazing event. My name is Emmanuel Leroy, and I am the Chief Product and Technology Officer of ESI Group. The industry is experiencing a rate of change like never before. Let's just take the example of our ESI Live event a few weeks ago. We heard about General Motors pursuing zero crashes, zero emissions, zero congestion, or Volvo Group on the road to climate neutral, or Joby Aviation putting electric rideshares in the air. They were all very clear about one thing. Regardless of the economic environment, without moving a very large part of their processes and decisions to virtual, and doing so within this decade, they will not be able to reach their publicly announced mission and goals. They cannot achieve these objectives without the use of our software solutions. During these 20 minutes, I would like to share with you our vision at ESI going beyond virtual testing to bring more and more value to the industry to achieve clean, safe, and productive goals. So let's start with a very quick intro on who we are, as I am sure for some of you it's the first time you hear about ESI. Who we are? In fact, ESI is a pioneer in the numerical simulation and virtual testing domain, being, for example, the first company performing a successful full car crash simulation on the Volkswagen Polo in 1985. And since then, we have always been cutting edge in CAE innovation. And it's a very important year next year for ESI, as it will be the 50 years anniversary of ESI. At ESI, like the industry around us, we are also deeply in a transformation. 1 year ago, we introduced our ESI One ESI 2024 plan, focused to grow, building on our DNA and differentiators, and reinforcing our software company identity with a clear strategy to create more value for our customers and partners. Our main objectives is to become fully global, operations and revenue functions, more focused on our investment and innovation on our core differentiators, also more integrated with the digital thread of our customers and partnering much more with the ecosystem, and more user-friendly. We want to democratize the use of our solutions by improving user experience, focusing on the customer value and workflows rather than on the technology itself. With this idea of focus and clarification, we are serving mainly 4 industries. With a clear portfolio of products, the 4 industries are automotive, aerospace, energy, and heavy industry. The portfolio of product is split in 3 business lines. Product performance, addresses the virtual test and validation of the performance of the product, like crash and safety, NVH, acoustics, and system performance. The ESI Smart Manufacturing business lines covered the virtual manufacturing process chain from single process like stamping, casting, or composite to the assembly process. And finally, the human-centric business lines provides immersive solutions, primarily focusing on product integration, assembly line exploration, validation, and commissioning. The value we deliver to our customers are reinforced. Faster time to market, increased product performance, increased product quality, and doing so with reduced costs and reduced environmental impact. Today, I would like to cover 3 strong differentiators that we are bringing from ESI to go beyond virtual testing: predictive, real-time, and immersive. So let's first expand on the topic of predictiveness and how end-to-end chaining of physics, processes, and data supports our customers in making the right decisions. Get it right, I will say at ESI, throughout the development process. Virtual performance testing based on predictive physics simulation has always been at the core of the ESI business. Predictiveness is key to our customers in order to rely on virtual validation and certification for critical aspects of the product performance, such as crash and safety structure analysis or NVH. With an increasing demand to manage higher complexity and interdependent problems in combination with new product regulation, new technology shift like electrification, autonomous driving, the need for predictive simulation will continue to expand. And with that, the need for accessing to high-performance computing. ESI is providing solutions for the digitalization of the full manufacturing process chain, from part production to joining and assembly. This also includes the chaining of manufacturing simulation results with virtual performance testing. This is allowing for our customers to virtually validate the final performance of their vehicle as built much earlier in the design process. And in the same time, they can have a tighter integration with faster iteration loops between the product and the manufacturing engineering process. This way, downstream issues and changes can be reduced while improving the lead time and the cost in providing a robust product design. In this context, HPC and combination with cloud acceleration is critical for ESI and our customers in supporting the incremental use of simulation. As an example, I would like to give you some insights on a recent collaboration with Ford to develop a solution integrating customer workflow from manufacturing to performance engineering. So here you see an example where local joining process is simulated in detail, transferred to joint strength characterization in order to enable the creation of a database to be used in full vehicle crash simulation to predict accurately joint behavior during a crash. And using this tool in engineering phase, this is key as it enables to anticipate rupture connection during severe loading of a vehicle and thus avoid redesign in case of late issue discovery. Here you see another example, and you see how Renault is a customer using our solutions to validate and certify its full car product performance. Thanks to concurrent engineering, it enabled them to achieve the Euro NCAP 5 stars without any additional prototype. Our customers are continuously working with us for our predictiveness and continuous reliability. In the past 10 years, a full digital vehicle model has increased in complexity by 4. Now it's over 10 million elements, including detailed airbags, failure models, and yet the simulation time has reduced by half. Today it's around 6 hours on hundreds of cores. And even if we improve performance of our solution, the increasing complexity, configurations to be tested, like loads, body, powertrain variants, are increasing the demand of computation, power, and cloud solutions. In a very challenging environment, with an accelerated industry transformation towards aggressive sustainability goals, increasing competition, and new emerging technologies, predictive virtual testing with trial and errors, design, simulation loops are very important, however, no longer sufficient. Decision makers need to be further agile and be able to efficiently take the best decisions, get it right, at the right time during each phase of the development process and even beyond. This is where the aspect of enriching simulation with AI and data comes to play. Virtual testing and simulation is typically a complex and time-consuming activity. Therefore, simulation capacity is today typically only accessible to a limited set of expert users that in turn support individual business, process, and departments. This approach limits the number of virtual testing and tryout iterations that can be performed during the development processes, which can in turn lead to important issues not being discovered until late in the development process, triggering costly changes. Or in the worst case, missed completely, leading to failure or even safety issues in the operation of the vehicle. So today, this is no longer a sufficient approach. We thus are focusing our efforts in providing solutions that can be applied to a broader range of stakeholders to guide informed decision throughout the development process. This includes solutions for efficient design space exploration in the early product design phases, as well as solutions for robustness analysis and virtual process and tooling tryout in manufacturing engineering. By combining predictive physics with ESI's unique model order reduction technology, even non-expert users can in real time explore and optimize the product or production outcomes. By adjusting selected design or process parameters, democratizing the use of predictive physics with new groups of stakeholders in the development process. ESI provides a unique advanced model order reduction solution. We call it ADMORE, that can be coupled with multiple physics solvers. ADMORE supports the definition, design of experiments to efficiently study the real-time model response when adjusting a defined parameter set. Combined with a user-friendly interface, ADMORE allows for the democratization of powerful simulation capabilities with new groups of users. In these examples, you can see ADMORE applied to a variety of use cases like airbag, unfolding simulation, crash and safety robustness simulations, spot welding process parameters, and the impact on temperature or metallurgy, or even a parameter sensitivity for stamping simulations. Moving later in the life cycle of the product to the physical world, we can combine predictive physics and model order reduction with real-life operational data and machine learning to create a hybrid twin that will enable further informed real-time diagnosis and prognosis to assess the current status and predict the future behavior and aging of a product or a production asset. Typical application for a hybrid twin includes at the manufacturing phase of the product on the manufacturing line itself to optimize the quality and production rates while minimizing scrap and energy consumption, or later during product in operation, structural health monitoring to optimize the lifetime performance and to minimize downtime of this same asset. So we have already covered the dimension of predictiveness and real time to support making the right decision at the right time. Let's now look at the third key component focused on immersive experience. We know most decisions are not done by individuals, rather through a collaboration of stakeholders applying their individual perspectives to derive at a good solution. Also, some aspect of the product or process design needs to be experienced firsthand from a human-centric perspective in order to truly understand whether the targeted design will work in real life. So, how do we achieve these goals, considering the reduction of physical prototype, cost, time, and travel? With the ESI ICI-DO solution, you can enable cross-functional teams to collaborate in a virtual world, where you can bring your product to life and realistically experience how to build or maintain it, without physically constructing any prototype. You can interactively perform realistic tryouts, validation, and commissioning of your assembly line or maintenance processes while securing safe and efficient processes for your workforce, effectively enabling your own industrial metaverse for collaboration within the extended enterprise. So, how does the ESI ICI-DO VR solution relate to the topic of supercomputing and cloud? The answer lies in our application of the latest NVIDIA Cloud XR technology. Cloud XR allows you to efficiently enable distributed collaborative virtual workspace with high levels of flexibility and mobility. By enabling the streaming of high-quality experiences to wireless VR devices within your local environment. These workspaces can then in turn be connected to other sites, enabling distributed collaborative virtual workspace across the extended enterprise. And with the rise of new high bandwidth mobile and wireless network technologies such as 5G, the flexibility and the mobility of this collaborative workspace will be even further expanded. And it will also allow for fully cloud-hosted environments. So what you can see on this slide is the new ICI-DO Collab solution releasing in the next months, as powered by NVIDIA Cloud XR. The solution was first introduced together with Volvo Group at NVIDIA GTC event earlier this year. In the movie, there are two people collaborating to evaluate the buildability of the powertrain in focus. Both participants were wireless HMDs, enabling full flexibility to move around the room and to collaborate on the validation task. Supported by powerful graphics hardware, even highly complex scenario can be directly imported and reviewed in real time without the need of time-consuming pre-processing. To conclude, at ESI, we are convinced that the digital transformation is going beyond virtual testing, and that offering predictive, real-time, and immersive software solutions for the industry is key to support making the right, collaborative, and human-centric decisions at the right time. We have a very exciting journey ahead of us, and we are very much looking forward to continue working with our customers and partners like Rescale. We are sure that Cloud HPC solutions will play a key role in supporting the digital transformation toward a safer, cleaner, and more productive industry. Thank you very much.